Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through and here's a step-by-step guide on how to create Coinbase gain / loss report. So here's a simple and a straightforward step-by-step guide on how to create your Coinbase gain loss report. So if you're using the Coinbase wallet website, rather, just go to the website, which is coinbase.com, and log into your account, which is very important. Then click your profile icon at the top right corner, then select report or text from the drop down menu. Then after that, you have to choose generate report or document depend on your region. Then select gain / losses report as the report type. Then you have to pick your date range, for example the full year if you want your annual gain and losses report. Then click generate report. So once ready, click download to save the file, usually in CSV or PDF format. Then if you're using the Coinbase app, open the app on your phone, which is Coinbase app on your phone. Then tap your profile icon at the top or at the top left or top right corner, depend on the app version. Then go to the tax or report, tap generate report, then select gain / losses report and choose your date range. Then tap generate and wait for the report to finish. Then you can now download your report file, and that's it. I find the video helpful. Don't hit the button and subscribe for more steps and guide.